DERMAKR Discreet Acne Pimple Patch comes with 36 patches. It is a spot treatment solution for pimples. As it's super easy to carry with you anywhere. Its slot-to-open system makes it very easy to open. 112 patch is 39 inches. It's 47 inches for maximum coverage for any size pimple. It dries out your acne by absorbing all the excess sebum, pus, bacteria, irritants, dirt, and other liquid discharge, which leaves the perfect healing space for the skin to repair itself. It is very efficient that some acne can even dry out and disappear by morning. The pimple patch is also invisible, waterproof, discreet, and very hygienic. Go about your day while protecting your skin. And with our lifetime money-back guarantee, with every purchase, buy with confidence.